In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PowerPoint presentation on your mobile phone. Now, keep watching to the very end. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. And of course, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Now, first of all, you need to install PowerPoint in your mobile phone. If you have not installed PowerPoint in your mobile phone, just go to Play Store and you can search for PowerPoint. Then you'll be able to see the PowerPoint and install it in your phone. After you've installed it, you just close this one, and then you will log in PowerPoint using your email, or you will create an account using your email. Then once you've created your account, you can open PowerPoint, and then it will bring you on this page. Now, to start creating your presentation, you will click that plus icon at the top right corner. Then you will choose the location where you'll want to save your PowerPoint, where you'll want your PowerPoint to go to after you finished. So I will just click the second option at this device. Then I will click on blank presentation. Then here you will need to click OK, because AI will generate for you the layout or the design that you'll want to create according to the presentation that you want to create. So just click OK. Then here you will enter the title of your presentation. So as you can see, we have slide 1 and slide 2, but first of all we will finish with slide 1 and save. Then we can go ahead to slide 2. So let's say you want to make a slide of let's say you want to make a presentation of cybersecurity in business. So you just write the presentation title as cybersecurity in business. Then you just click next, so that we may do away, or we may finish with the first slide. So click next. Then you will be able to choose designs at the bottom there. You can choose the design that you want to use. You can just choose whatever is presentable, or if you do not want to use these designs, you can choose the blank design at the farthest right. But I'll just use this one. Then once you've selected that design, you just click save. And then once you've saved, now this one is the first slide that we've saved. Now, in order to continue with the editing, you just click that icon at the middle, at the center, there at the bottom. Just click edit. We'll add another slide by clicking on those 3 dots at the top right corner. Then you will see new slide. Just click on it. Then another slide will be added. So we also have various options in order to design our slide. Those icons at the bottom. If you start with the first one from the farthest left, we'll have layout. So if you say in this slide we want to have title and content, we will use that. Let me just use this one. Now I will double click. I will double tap on that area. Then I'll just write types of cybersecurity. Then here on the content, I will use these options that has been that are here at the bottom. I just use one. Then let's say one type to be Trojan. Then you will click next. Then you will be able to write your content. So once you've done that, you can just write your content, and then in order to continue with your slide, we just add another slide. Let's say if you add another slide and we want to put comparable items, I will just click on that icon on the farthest left at the bottom, and we can choose a comparison. Then here we'll be able to compare two types of cybersecurity, for example, and that's how we can use the comparable layout. So if you want to delete anything, you can just delete. You just click on that part, and then you delete. You use these options here to delete or to edit or to add duplicate. If you also want to add photos, let's say we add another slide, and then we delete this one. Then we can go back to the layout. You can choose this with the picture. Then here you can upload your picture from your mobile. Let's say this one. And then you can also edit this picture so that it can fit this area. And here you can write your notes or your content that you want to write. And you can also use these options to delete or to duplicate or to edit. So after you finish with your editing and you've done with your work, you just click that icon, that tick icon on the top left corner, in order to save your work. You can preview your presentation. Then you can click those three dots at the top right corner. Then you can save. You can give it the name that you want to save it. Let's say cybersecurity in business. Then you can once you've written the name of the PowerPoint, then you can choose the location where you want it to be saved. I will choose this device, then documents. Then I will just click save button at the bottom right corner. Then the document will be saved. And that's how simply you can make PowerPoints in your Android or in your mobile phone. That's it, guys. That's how to make a PowerPoint in mobile. And if this video is useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next one.